Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact the Wordtune support team. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in wordtune.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Wordtune website. Now, if you wish to contact the support team, then you will first need to log into your account. Click on the login button at the top right corner and then proceed forward through your social accounts or by entering your email address and using the login link that you receive within your inbox. Once you are logged into your account, click on the account icon at the bottom left corner and click on Help Center. Now, within the Help Center page, you will see the chat option at the bottom right corner with the Wordtune logo. Just click on this option and this will open up the Wordtune support option. Just tap on Send us a message and then you can proceed forward with choosing your appropriate query. Once you provide the responses, the support team will show you various different options. From the responses, just tap on Talk to Agent and now this will hook you up with an agent to whom you can directly send a message. Within this message box, just type in your query or your question that you want to ask to the support team and press the enter button, and you can also attach a picture if you wish to send this to the support team. After sending your query, you will get a response from the support team in just a matter of minutes. And with this, you will be able to solve any of your query. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to contact the support team for Wordtune. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.